Can a photon, from a source other than the sun, pass through the sun completely? In summary, does the sphere of the sun cast a shadow if there were a much brighter light source on the other side of it? If a photon can't pass through something, then that thing is creating a shadow of some form, because a shadow is a lack of photons due to an obstruction. I've heard that some forms of energy, like plasma, don't block photons though. Can photons, not originating from the sun, pass through the center of the sun and make it to the other side? X. If you had a laser, could you shine it at the sun and then see that laser on the other side of the sun? Let's assume the observer on the other side of the sun can differentiate between light from the sun and light from the laser. The answer: the sun is not transparent. The visible surface of the sun would be the same, even if you disregarded all the emitted light and only considered how much it obscures background objects. Looking at the limb of the sun, it can be seen that the sun's surface turns from fully transparent to fully opaque over a distance of maybe hundreds of km as the density of the solar plasma increases the deeper you go. The measure of how translucent something is, i.e., how much stuff is needed between you and an object to obscure the latter, is called optical depth or optical thickness. Plasma is particularly good at being opaque, as being an ionized gas. All the free electrons in it are very happy to absorb and scatter light as it goes through, much more so than the same amount of neutral gas would. The fact that stars are, indeed, opaque can be exploited to find binary stars, particularly dimmer companions in close orbits around a brighter, more massive star. If the pair orbits edge on from our perspective, such that the components transit each other, each transit causes a tiny dip in the binary's total brightness, because some of either star's light is blocked by its companion. Follow this channel for more Santa Explains. And if you have any questions I should answer, just write them down in the comments.